Introducing the 2025 Ford Explorer Premium 77-key Toyota's Extended Range 2 in sleek black exterior with electric fuel type and automatic transmission. This MPV is loaded with features like air conditioning, Bluetooth, satellite navigation, ABS, lane departure warning, and much more. With interior luxuries like ambient lighting and wireless charging, safety features including collision avoidance braking and lane departure warning, and styling extras like privacy glass, this vehicle has it all. Rest assured with a full multi-point health and safety check, comprehensive warranty, and servicing to manufacturer specifications. Don't miss out. Call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details.